to Virtual Office Training. Today we will learn how to make a business card in an office. Open the Word document and go to the File menu, click New, then you will find Business Card. Click Business Card and double click Print Business Card. Then you will see all type of business card. You can select any one which you want to use in your office. I just select this one and click download. There are 10 business card here. It means you can, if you want to print this business card, then in one page it will print 10 business card in one page. Just type the name of the business which you are doing, and type your name here, and type the position which you belong, and address, type the address and phone number, fax and email address, so on. When you type all the information here, and you can change this logo as well. Just click insert and go to the picture, and you can select any picture which you want. After fill up all the information, you can select all the information which we need in business card. We will select all the information and go select copy, right click and select this one and click right and paste these information. You can paste these information all 10 cards. This is a very simple technique to make a business card. Hope these tips will helpful for you. Thanks for watching.